is an event ordinarily celebrated by a community and centering on some characteristic aspect of that community, its religion or culture. And culture is closely related with tradition. So here, the main difference between culture and tradition is that tradition describes a group beliefs or behavior that are passed down from one generation to another. And culture describes the shared characteristics of the entire group, which has been amazed throughout its history. Namaskar. Здравствуйте. Salmet Zbe. 1st May, and we celebrate the Unity Day in Kazakhstan, where Republic Kazakhstan honors the 150 plus nationalities who reside across the nation's vast steppes by celebrating their unique tradition and forging a greater understanding between people. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudrashwari Ravindra Singh. I am 11 years old, studying at 5th grade, school gymnasium number 44, Almaty, Kazakhstan. I am Indian by descent, who born at Aktau city, Kazakhstan. Well, my family is considerably international family, as my father is from India, mother from Kazakhstan, and my maternal grandparents from Russia. Since I am from India, so willing to give you a little brief about Indian festivals and culture. India is a land of festivals and fairs. Virtually celebrating each day in the year, the most festivals are celebrated in India than anywhere else in the world. Each festival pertains to a different association. Some welcome the seasons of the year, the harvest, the rains, or the full moons. Others celebrate religious festivals, birthdays of divine beings, or the advent of the new year. Some of these festivals are common to the most parts of the India. However, they may be called in different names for the most parts of the country, or may be celebrated in a different fashion. Likewise, festivals are divided into 3 main categories. They are national, religious, and seasonal. If we discuss in more detail about national festivals, which as Republic Day on January 26th, Independence Day on August 15th, and Gandhi Jayanti on October 2nd, and many more, which are celebrated throughout India. Religious festivals, one of the most famous festivals not only throughout India but all over the world. One of the most prominent religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Rakhi, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Eid, Christmas, and more. Diwali, Holi, and Rakhi are the most prominent festivals for Hindu religion. Guru Nanak Jayanti, Eid Omkar, the grand celebration of the birth of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Eid, an Islamic festival which celebrates the end of Ramadan. Christmas celebrates the birthday of Jesus Christ, and furthermore it is known about Christmas trees and well-known Santa Claus. Seasonal festivals. Some regions of India celebrate seasonal festivals. For instance, Bihu is the festival of Assam. Likewise, Tamil Nadu celebrates Pongal, and one of the most famous festivals is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights and victory over darkness. It is the most magnificent festival of India. On Diwali, we decorate our house with lights, candles, clay lamps, or draw rangoli. Guests come to us. We give them gifts and Indian sweets. It is an incredibly beautiful festival of India. Once again, Happy Unity Day and Labor Day for all fellow citizens of Kazakhstan. Stay united and stay safe. Dhanyavad. До свидания. Свободность.